Narrator. You can copy this exact flow with your students. Narrator. Ready? Narrator. Prompt 1. Hello? What's your name? Narrator. Answer model. My name is Alex. Narrator. And you? Narrator. Tip. Always add "and you" to keep the chat going. Narrator. Prompt 2. Nice to meet you, Alex. How are you today? Narrator. Answer model. I'm good. Thank you. Narrator. I'm a little tired. And you? Narrator. Tip. Two-part feelings make it richer. Narrator. I'm X. Narrator. I'm a little Y. Narrator. Prompt 3. Where are you from? Narrator. Answer model. I'm from Brazil. Narrator. I live in Sao Paulo. And you? Narrator. Tip. From near a country. Narrator. Live Terrace City. Easy combo. Narrator. Prompt 4. What do you do? Narrator. Answer model. I'm a student. Narrator. I study English. And you? Narrator. Tip. If stuck, use I'm a student. Narrator. Or I work in Irachu. Narrator. Prompt 5. What do you like to do? Narrator. Answer model. I like music. Narrator. I like to play guitar. And you? Narrator. Swap. I like movies. Narrator. I like cooking. Narrator. I like football. Narrator. I like reading. Narrator. Prompt. What day is it today? Narrator. Answer model. It's Friday. Narrator. Bonus. What time is it? It's 3 o'clock. Narrator. Prompt 7. How's the weather? Narrator. Answer model. It's sunny. Narrator. It's a little hot. Narrator. Swap. Rainy. Narrator. Cloudy. Narrator. Cold. Narrator. Windy. Narrator. Prompt 8. Do you have any pets? Narrator. Answer model. Yes, I have a cat. Narrator. Her name is Luna. And you? Narrator. If no, no I don't. Narrator. But I like dogs. Narrator. Prompt 9. What's your favorite food? Narrator. Answer model. I love pizza. Narrator. It's delicious. And you? Narrator. Prompt 10. Do you want to practice tomorrow? Narrator. Answer model. Yes, I do. What time? Narrator. Closer. Great. See you at 6 p.m. Narrator. Lightning review. Repeat after me. Hello, my name is Wai Iu. Narrator. I'm from Wai Anpernim. Narrator. I'm a student. Narrator. I like Anpernim and Mike. Narrator. It's Bayarnitin today. Narrator. See you tomorrow at Anpernim. Narrator. Coaching tip, smile. Narrator. Nod. Narrator. Keep answers short. One sentence is fine. Narrator. Use "and you" to bounce the ball back. Narrator. If a student freezes, offer 2 choices. Narrator. Coffee. Narrator. Tea. Narrator. Celebrate small wins. Nice. Narrator. Perfect. Narrator. Let's try one more. Narrator. Now loop it. Pick 3 prompts. Narrator. Ask. Narrator. Wait. Narrator. Model. Narrator. Swap a word. Narrator. Repeat. Narrator. That's your 10-minute conversation workout. Narrator. Let's go!
Hello everyone, and welcome. My name is Easy Steps English, and I'm so glad you've decided to join me today. That first step, the decision to start, is often the most important one on any journey. We'll go one small, manageable step at a time. Today, we'll learn some fundamental words and use them in easy sentences. Chapter 1. Let's start with our very first word. This is an apple. Can you say it? AP pull. An apple is a fruit. It can be red or green. Here's a sentence. I eat an apple every day. Repeat, I eat an apple every day. Chapter 2. This is a book. Book. A book has pages with stories and information. You find books in a library or at home. Sentence. I read a book before bed. Repeat, I read a book before bed. Chapter 3. This is a dog. Dog. A dog is a friendly pet you see at home, on streets, and in parks. Sentence. The dog plays in the park. Repeat. The dog plays in the park. Fantastic. Let's keep going. Chapter 4. This is a cat. Try it. Cat. Cats are often independent and graceful. Sentence. The cat sleeps on the sofa. Repeat. The cat sleeps on the sofa. Chapter 5. This is a house. A house is a building where people live. Houses can look different around the world. Sentence, my family lives in a house. Repeat, my family lives in a house. Chapter 6. This is a car. A car has 4 wheels and an engine. We use cars to travel from place to place. Sentence, I go to school by car. Repeat, I go to school by car. Chapter 7. This is water. Water has no color, taste, or smell. It fills oceans and rivers and falls as rain. Sentence, I drink water when I'm thirsty. Repeat, I drink water when I'm thirsty. Chapter 8. This is a chair. A chair is for one person to sit on. You find chairs everywhere. Instruction, sit on the chair. Repeat, sit on the chair. Chapter 9. This is a table. A table has a flat top to put things on. We eat, work, and play games at a table. Sentence, the book is on the table. Repeat, the book is on the table. Chapter 10. This is a pen. Pen. Sentence, I write with a pen. Repeat, I write with a pen. Chapter 11. This is a school. A school is for learning. Sentence, children learn at school. Repeat, children learn at school. Chapter 12. Friend. A friend is someone you like and trust. Sentence, I play with my friend. Repeat, I play with my friend. Fruit. A group of sweet foods from plants. Sentence, fruit is healthy to eat. Repeat, fruit is healthy to eat. Sun. It gives us light and heat. Sentence, the sun is bright today. Repeat, the sun is bright today. Happy. I am happy to learn.
The best EVs of 2025, a quick guide. So, you're in the market for a new electric car in 2025. The landscape is more crowded and more competitive than ever, which is great for us as consumers, but it also makes the decision-making process that much harder. Looking for the best electric car of 2025? We've condensed the top choices into one fast comparison. This isn't about finding a single best car. The best car for a family of 5 is very different versus the solo commuter who loves track days. Instead, the goal here is a clear, concise breakdown of the heavy hitters. We're going to compare the key features, the real-world range you can expect, the performance specs that matter, and the price points. My job, lay out the facts and give you my take on who each car is for. 3-row SUVs, adventure trucks, luxury sedans, something for everyone. We've got a lot to cover, so we're keeping this tight. Think of it as your essential briefing. This is a 4-minute roundup. Let's jump in. So, let's get into it. Alright, first up is the Kia EV9, and this one is a big deal. Literally. Full-size, 3-row, electric SUV. Not a ton of competition at this price point. What Kia packed in here is impressive. Bold design, futuristic details, boxy silhouette, spacious interior. Adults comfortably in the 3rd row, not common in this class. Big, crisp displays, user-friendly interface, family-friendly features. For a vehicle this large, range is solid. Daily driving, school runs, weekend road trips, value proposition stands out. Premium feeling, highly practical, 3-row EV, compelling option for families, pragmatic, well-executed vehicle. Next we have the Hyundai Ioniq 6. If the EV9 is all about space, the Ioniq 6 is all about one thing, is efficiency. Just look at the design. It's one of the most aerodynamic cars on the road with this distinctive, streamlined streamliner shape. That super low drag coefficient isn't just for looks, it directly translates into incredible range. This is the car for the range-conscious buyer, someone who wants to minimize charging stops and maximize how far they can go on a single charge. It consistently delivers some of the best miles per kilowatt-hour numbers we've seen. Inside, the cabin feels spacious and minimalist. It leverages the eGMP platform shared with the Ioniq 5 and EV9. You get dual screens, you get sustainable materials, you get a pleasant modern environment. But the story is range plus affordability. Efficiency that rivals or beats cars costing tens of thousands more. For commuters, for road trippers, for anyone focused on eliminating range anxiety without a luxury price, the Ioniq 6 is a standout choice. It's smart, it's efficient, it's stylish. Now for something completely different, the Rivian R1T. This isn't just an electric truck, it's an adventure vehicle, built from the ground up for a specific lifestyle. and Rivian has nailed the execution. The quad-motor setup gives it incredible off-road capability. It can crawl over rocks, wade through water, and handle terrain that would stop most other vehicles, electric or not. The acceleration is also famously, absurdly quick for a truck, but it's the clever, lifestyle-focused features that really make it special and give it that unique character. You have the gear tunnel, which is perfect for stashing wet or dirty gear. There's the powered tonneau cover, the built-in air compressor, and the general sense that this truck was designed by people who actually go camping and hiking. It tows well, it's comfortable on the road, and it has a beautiful minimalist interior with a massive center screen. It's not the cheapest truck, but for the person who wants one vehicle that can be a daily driver and a weekend warrior, the R1T is in a class of its own. Shifting gears into pure luxury, we have the Mercedes-Benz EQS sedan. This is Mercedes's electric flagship, their S-Class of the EV world. It absolutely feels like it. Not focused on 0 to 60 times or off-road prowess, ultimate comfort, quietness, technological opulence. The first thing you notice is the interior, especially the optional hyperscreen, a massive 56-inch curved glass panel spanning the dashboard. It's a statement piece. The MBUX software behind it is advanced, with a learning curve. Ride quality is sublime. Standard air suspension. The EQS glides over road imperfections, creating a serene, isolated cabin experience. The range is also very strong, designed for long, effortless journeys. This is a car you get chauffeured in, or that you drive to de-stress after a long day. Every material feels premium. Every detail is considered. A legacy luxury automaker gone all in on an electric platform. For buyers who prioritize, plush, tech-forward, supremely comfortable, the EQS sets the high watermark. You can't have a conversation about EVs without talking about Tesla. The refreshed Model 3 continues to be one of the most important electric cars out there. Its place in this lineup is as the king of value and accessibility.